Basketball referee hand signals. Start the clock.
It is using to start a game.
Stop the clock. It is the time to stop the game at any point. 3 points.
Shoot the ball beyond the 3-point line.
2 points.
Shoot the ball inside the 3-point line.
1 point.
Free throw is made.
Timeout. When one team is asking for a short interruption. 30 seconds timeout. When one team is asking for 30 seconds timeout. Substitution. When other team asking for an exchange player. Blocking foul.
When a player using their body to prevent the player's opponent from moving.
Intentional foul.
When a player is purposeful, violent, or contact the other opponent.
Technical foul.
When a player arguing to an official or an opponent.
Holding foul.
When a player grabbing the hands of an opponent.
Pushing foul.
When the player pushing the other opponent players.
Charging foul.
An offensive player knocks the other defensive player.
Elbow foul.
Using an elbow to hit the player.
Traveling.
When a player takes many steps without dribbling.
Dribble dribbling.
It is dribbling the ball and pick it up and dribbles again.
Carrying the basketball.
Holding a ball without dribbling.
3 seconds violation.
The player remain in their team's foul lane in 3 or more seconds.
5 seconds violation.
Player need to inbound the ball within 5 seconds.
8 seconds violation.
Player needs to pass the ball within 8 seconds across the half court.
24 seconds violation.
If a team player fails to shoot the ball within this time,
Backcourt.
player establishes position in the front court and pass it to the back court.
Kicking.
When a player intentionally kicking the ball,
Outbounds.
when the ball touches the outlines of the court.